Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today I'm with David McCoy and we are at a little thing going on here called the Future of Women Welding.
Yeah, Future Women of Welding.
And this is pretty exciting because we've got high school girls
across the state.
That are in a welding competition.
Right, and never been one ever that I know of anywhere.
So the first competition for young women in welding, really pretty neat. Currently, WireCrafters, we work with you guys pretty close.
Yes.
And we've got about 5 young ladies that work full-time for us.
Right.
And how many more do you have in this program?
20.
20.
Yes.
All right, so that's really amazing what you guys are doing here. And we've, the contest is going on now. We're in between the welding booths. What's one of the bigger things that have just kind of caught you off guard that pretty amazes you with these young ladies?
I think what amazes me more than anything is once this competition started to come to light, the people just got involved. We're like jumped right on the bandwagon and said, hey, what can we do? We're going to help out. You know, like with WireCrafters, y'all been an awesome, y'all have contributed exceptionally well for us. And that to me is seeing the community jump on board just like that. I mean, and that's to me has been the overly impressive. I haven't seen the welds yet.
Yeah.
But I'm sure they're going to be pretty good.
Well, it's been a big win for both sides.
Absolutely.
You guys have been doing great with us. WireCrafters has benefited. I have to have a shout out to Chad Anglin.
Yes.
He's our operations manager that's really put this together with you guys.
Yes.
So David, thank you very much.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
We look forward to seeing who wins this contest.
I look forward to the future with you all as well. So,
all right.
awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
All right.